Dear students, today we are going to cover the priceless gift class 9th objective question and answer. Number 1, which restaurant did Mr. Gupta go to? Mr. Gupta क्या restaurant के गले? A vegetarian restaurant. What had the people in the restaurant come to have for lunch? What we get to know from Maggie sacrifice of the ceiling. Maggie रो से ceiling sacrifice जिन कला से थ्रू हमें काना जानवर के पाना her love for her brother तार भाई प्रति तार स्नेह. What does the phrase skimming through the newspaper convey? Skimming through the newspaper काना सूचासी looking over the newspaper. Newspaper देखबाटे के हमें skimming through the newspaper बोली कुहा जासी just glancing. What did the writer see in the corner of the restaurant? Writer restaurant corner काना देखले some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into a corner. What did the writer see in the corner of the restaurant? Some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into a corner. What was Maggie's first question to the writer? Writer लाई Maggie रो पहला question काना थिला Are you an Indian? When did the girl usually come to the restaurant? साधारण भाव से झीलटा रेस्टोरेंट के केबे आस्तुला on Saturday because Saturday is the payday for her. What do you mean by poverty stricken? Poverty stricken रो माने काना suffering extremely because of lack of money. Who showed the ring to the writer? Writer को किए ring टा देखाला Maggie. Maggie showed the ring to the writer. Please come in. Who told this? Come in. Please come in बोली की कहला? Who told this? Maggie कहला. What was Mr. Gupta doing when Maggie knocked at his door? What was Mr. Gupta doing? Mr. Gupta कौन करतुले जेतेले मागीटा knock कला door रे he was having his breakfast से तांकर breakfast नौतुले. What was Mrs. Bethy doing when the writer met her? जेतेले writer Mrs. Bethy को भेटले Mrs. Bethy काना करतुले she was making cakes से cakes तैयारी करतुले. What did Mrs. Bethy show Mr. Gupta in her house? What did Mrs. Bethy show? Mrs. Bethy Mr. Gupta को तांकर घरे काना देखाले a photograph of her son. तांकर son रो गुटे photograph देखाले. What was the name of Mrs. Bethy's son? Frankie. Who prepared tea for Mr. Gupta? Mrs. Bethy prepared tea for Mr. Gupta. Who was Mrs. Bethy? Mrs. Bethy was the mother of Maggie, Maggie's mother. Who was the guardian of the young girl? Her brother. से young girl रो guardian टा किए थिला her brother. What was the phrase held out my hand convey? Held out my hand काना सूचासी put a hand forward for a handshake. handshake लागे हाथ बढ़ाटा के हमें held out my hand बोली करी कहा जाइए इन्हें. What was Frankie doing in India? Working as a soldier. According to Mr. Gupta, what kind of place was Punjab? According to Mr. Gupta, what kind of place was Punjab? Healthy place to live in. सुरक्षित स्थान बा स्वास्थ्यकर परिवेश रहिबा पाई. Why was Mr. Gupta assumed to face Mrs. Bethy? Why was Mr. Gupta assumed? से लज्जा अनुभव कांगरी कोले because he told a lie to them. ସେମାନେ ठकी देथिले जे Frankie was alive and well. Why was Mr. Gupta leaving for India? Because he had got a job in Punjab. से गुटे पंजाब रे जॉब पाइले. Where was Frankie buried? Near the frontier. Why did Maggie give Mr. Gupta a shilling to buy some flowers and lay on her brother's grave? What was the grief in Maggie's heart? Maggie heart grief टा कना दुखटा कना दुखटा कना थिला the loss of her brother. तार भाई रो loss हराई दबाटा तार दुख थिला. Here is an exercise for you. Fill in the gaps using the appropriate form in each sentence. Appropriate form हम यूज करी कर्मा. There is an decks of anger on his face. Express रो expression हला noun form. N होचे article लगी छे तार पर noun form रहला. There is an expression of an anger on his face. He made his departure. Departure भी noun form. He made his departure. देखो possessive लगी छे. He made his departure from the scene after a dialogue. She performed well at her first opportunity. She showed a decks for my past life. Curiosity, she showed a curiosity for my past life. नाउन फॉर्म इन्हें भी रहला. I had a decks with my friends. Conversation ION लागला, ये भी नाउन फॉर्म. You need a lot of decks on the subject to understand it perfectly. Concentrate, concentration. Okay, thank you.